You want to be a little off the grid? I got here some light on me, and what I've done, yes indeed, did a little modification to give me some light. Now, this is, I believe, about 5 volts. Look at that bad boy right there. That's what's lighting me up, believe it or not. This is a solar panel. Now, I took it apart. I'm gonna just basically say, hey, all the screws, you know how to take off. This is a battery. They're parallel. It should be a 3.6, maybe a 7.2 battery. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna give a reading across the terminals. They are a 3.6 battery. The maximum charge will be 4.19. This is a PIR sensor. If you hold it like this and turn it on, oh man, that sucker will get hot and you'll feel your fingers burning. I pressed the button once. Now, people are taking this PIR out. And when they do take that PIR out, they're getting an on and off flash. Well, I thought maybe taking just one light out would give me the same brightness. And I believe I'm getting a more brighter light than that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take another one off. As long as I know my leads right here, blue for blue, red for red, I could disassemble this. I take the bolt and the nut and I loosen up and the wire goes in between. This is my solar panel. I don't want to cut both leads. I want to cut one lead at a time so I don't cause any issue. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to place this solar panel in the sun so it could charge the battery. I disassembled everything. I still got the board. We're going to let this run and show you how this will dim down with the PR sensor on. We're going to leave that. It's going to take a couple of seconds to turn off. The lights never turned off because 1, 2, 3, or the solar panel was cut off. So there really would be no need for me to disconnect the PIR. But everybody out there loves to take the PIR out and they take off the 3 leads. They heat them up. And now my light should stay on forever. I watched a number of videos that just simply don't talk and they do with music. And I couldn't learn anything from it. So here I got a video that I talked and man, I just couldn't get the things to work like they do. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. I don't care. I'm experimenting and I'm having fun. I know what I'm going to do with mine. So here I got a solar panel. Here I got a light. And you notice it's dimly lit. All my wires came off because I'm not soldering my leads. It's dimly lit. So I'm going to take this lead. And what I am going to do is I'm going to strip. Oh, I'm going to use my fingers. Yes, indeed. And here I am. I could get off my leads. I'm going to take black and I'm going to put it to the blue. I got here is a solar panel that's outside. And you can see the difference when you got daylight outside and just daylight inside. I got a nice bright light. Well, I'm going to make sure these 2 leads touch one another and stay together. And when I connect these 2, and I make sure they stay together, and touch another solar panel together, Now I got 3 lights on a 5-volt panel that's upstairs with a light over here that I'm going to disconnect, and it's now off. Now that should throw enough light if I put it above me in 3 different solar panels to give me 100% of the light I need above. So if I got 4 solar panels and these 4 lights hooked up individually, that will light up my area, giving me nice daylight like so, right like this. So let me put these down and you can see the big difference indeed. This light right here will light me up and do my videos that I need. Oh, my light doesn't work because the battery depleted once again. So that is why I like to just get some light on the subject. Yes, indeed. Now I can simply hook up the solar panel and charge those batteries so I can have some evening hour light as well. Have fun experimenting. You never know what you can do with being a little off grid and some products that may or may not work that you can utilize in different ways. I hope you have learned just a little bit. Me getting a little bit better light. Have a great day. I'm here. I have a power bank. It's on the side. There's about a 20,000. I got a 30,000 one as well. And I got 4 security lights above that is lighting up this area. It's giving a real bright light so when I do my video. Oh yeah, I'm going to put 2 more up and maybe another 2 more. And let me tell you, when I want to make a video with some light, here it is. Let me just give you a little show of what it looks like, and I hope you enjoy being off the grid a little.